smarty, we get to inbox that person and try to get that person in order, not until now wait, meaning that's like we are 2 years back, and the world of technology nowadays, it has become cheaper and it has been made speedier because of Facebook, Instagram, and which is Twitter. So our focus in Smarty, is to connect and charging your life to the next level. Why is that we are connecting and charging? Okay, we connect with you to the social impact and we are charging you because charging is by empowering you with the information that you are offering. Our services, the office and the retrieving and sending, receiving and retrieving. So in office, there's cloud. In social, there's chatting. And that's what Smart is all about. Next. Feature including a smart office, the index of a smart office, the index of a smart web, and be saving your appointment, creating an ad, and creating an ad by running your own business, and saving your files. Imagine you putting your files in data like her. She was sitting with that. Explain about the health. She has to go. She has to transfer the files because it doesn't have Dropbox on a Google Drive. Because the Google Drive is slow and Dropbox is you can't even edit, just save it. So what I did in that one, you can edit and you can save the different files on the doc to PDF or PDF to doc. And if you want videos or some other files, you have to convert. If you want more space, you need to upgrade, and that means you need to pay just 5 shillings or 5 USD. That we are discussing with the team to figure out if it's going to be 5 Kenya shillings or 5 USD. So, social. The social is the part interaction, knowing and understanding each other. You don't want only it to be just chatting. You want people to start interacting inwards and outwards and knowing much, because you might be in Instagram. Yeah, Instagram's all about photography people, and that's how Kevin System, the inventor, came up with, because he loves photos. And Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg came up with connecting and sharing because he loves connecting. But people are chatting, but what's the benefit from it? So in Smart, in social, you benefit because you find more business people you might interact with and get yourself connected to, instead of joining empowerment projects. For example, I was in Cape Town and I learned much about empowerment. And this is what made me try to solve the solution. Instead of people hanging out, hashing up the empowerment, you can just join the empowerment. But when it comes to Smart in the social part sector, you see much more and you gain much more. And this is how you're going to use a Smart. Next. Attention data. From attention data for you guys, humbly, it's about more social sites started out as a small platform and gradually grew to international platform with the aid of investors. And that's true. And I can give you an example like Friendster was there before Facebook, but Facebook came and it was like similar to Friendster. But what Facebook was solving, was charging, was connecting to share your moments, your story to the world, for which it wasn't possible for Friendster, and Friendster crashed. They tried them and they crashed, and right now they've updated themselves and they call themselves Friendable, which is an app. But Facebook challenged Friendster and defeated them because they were a small platform, but they believe in their vision and they started as a passion, and now they're in the business, which is combined, connecting and sharing. And Facebook started as a small project, now it is a big social platform, and that's because Zuckerberg believed on his vision to share and connect to people. Twitter started as a microblog, and it started as a small microblogging. Now it's a big media blog to everyone, because since it was blog, bloggers are journalisms and media people, and he decided to include tweets because he saw others were crashing and decided to come to Twitter. And this is something that really motivated me, because it all started from somewhere and headed to something big platform to the world. And that's what Twitter was all about, from chips to bad streets. And Google started as a search engine, and out as only a search engine, but as Facebook came along the way, it became